Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your coupon on Mexc. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, make sure that your account is verified and updated. So what you have to do is for you to go over to more, and over here you have to go over and look for reward. In case you can't look for it, you can go over to the search button over here and type in reward. Let me do that right away, and you can see it. You have to go over to reward hub. So let me go over to it, and over at this place you will see the list of the reward. You're going to see the list of ongoing reward here, and you just have to go over to it and start now and start doing it. And let me go over to, so over at this my rewards, the reward helps here, you're going to see different type of rewards. You're going to see the list of ongoing rewards here, and you can see this, which is cumulative trade tasks. You have to do this for you to receive bonus and a lot of bonus and coupon. And you can also go over to referral tax. You're going to receive USDT doing this. And let me go over to my rewards, and over here at the reward, so my total reward here is 0.0, and here is all types. Here is bonus and voucher, so you can select this and get your voucher redeemed here. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.